Is it a fish?
Oh, feels kind of heavy, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
What if it's not a northern?
Oh. Fish on. Welcome back to another episode, 30 Lake Outdoors. My name is Merle, and today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to go over to my neighbor's lake, and he wants to map it out a little and see what fish are in there. He stocks it with walleye, and he has been feeding them minnows the last few years, but yeah, nobody really fishes. It's a private lake, so it's just a little bowl, 50 feet deep lake, and we're going to go over there and see if we can catch some fish, and we'll try and map it out for him so he has an idea what it looks like under the surface. And yeah, you stay tuned. It should be an interesting day to say the least. So, all right. Oh, that's a fish. Yeah. Hang on. Fish on.
Feels like it could be a walleye.
Yeah.
The crappie surfaces right away.
Yeah, usually. You just keep tight. You know, yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, there we go. First one of the year.
Yeah. Boy, they're dark
Not
in
too
here,
bad.
yeah.
Yes, they are. Well, we have dark
Water.
The Black River of walleye.
Yeah. Yeah, you just that's a nice size fish.
Yeah.
Do you want to keep him or throw him back?
I guess we might as well keep them.
Okay. Yeah, we could definitely. Yeah. Yeah. 14 inches, so. There we go. Fish on. You don't feel real big, but. Oh, there you go. There's a little walleye. All right. They're in here. Oh, yes.
Got it?
I felt that one smack it, yeah.
Got a good one?
Oh, it might be.
I lost one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's a big one.
Oh,
Oh, it's a nice walleye.
yeah.
That'll give you a good dinner.
Oh, he's not even spawned out yet.
Oh.
It's a female, I believe.
Well, it's renewed my faith. There's a fish here.
Yeah, look at that. That's a fat one.
Yeah, nice.
Wow, pretty.
What is it?
It looks like a female that didn't spawn yet. Maybe he should go back,
Maybe
but it's up to you, I
you
guess.
say it's a female.
It looks like it, yeah. They have the bigger belly, I think it is. It looks like you just got the one. Okay, what does he measure? 16 and a half. Yeah, I guess that's up to you. I'd like you. I mean, if you want to keep them,
No, I don't.
put them back so they
Put
can
'em back.
spawn.
I'd rather have it spawn.
Yeah, that's not. That's Huh. Okay. There he goes.
There's fish out in
Fish on.
Going?
Fish on.
Fish on.
Boy. Where are you at? Oh yeah, that's
Nice walleye. Right in our dock.
yeah, it's like a 14, 15 incher.
Yeah.
Oh, he's squirting. This is why he's up there.
Why?
He's
Full of eggs?
no, he's squirting. This is a male.
Oh, it's a male.
This is why they're up there. They're spawning up in the sand. Oh, there he goes. There we go. Okay, stay on this time. Yeah, big crappie.
See, I told you.
Yeah. Oi, what? Was that me?
No, that was just the wind.
Oh. There we go.
That's about as big as you'll find over at Doug's.
Yeah, that's not a bad fish. Yeah, that's a nice crappie. Do you want to keep them, or are you eating fish today? Or?
No, we're probably not eating today.
Okay.
So I'll probably let him go
Oh.
unless you want him.
No, he can go free. There he goes. What is that? Oh, 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 push. Oh, you go. Oh, that's a big one.
Biggest one I've seen.
You're,
Take a picture of that.
you just had that one hanging over the side of the boat?
Because I didn't want the minnow to dry out.
Wow. Yeah, they're only a few feet down off the bottom. Oh,
Take
you.
a picture
Oh,
of that, baby.
I mean, you caught it, so.
I didn't catch it. Measure that, see what it is. Just out of curiosity.
Yeah, that's one of the biggest ones I've seen out of here. He is 12 and a half fish.
No, I just had
12, yeah, 12 and a half. You had another one?
I had one on this and I lost.
I just
You have fun just catching them.
way after the other.
Yeah, well, sometimes, you know, they'll turn on and off.
Oh, this feels like a little better fish though. Oh, it's a little walleye. Yeah. Just had this one hanging over the side of the boat too.
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes. Nice. Yeah, they're so dark in here. It's such a black water. Oh, that's a nice little guy. There you go.
I actually caught one.
You caught one? Well, that was an abrupt little trip. I had another neighbor call me, and he got his truck planted in the woods, so we went over and helped him out with that. So we only fished an hour or so there, and then we went and helped the neighbor out. So I had a bunch of yard work I had to do, and then we went back out in the evening to another local lake here just next to me, and one I've never been on ever. So yeah, here is the rest of that video. It's crazy.
What is it, 50 or 60?
Almost fish on.
60.
What is it? Little crappie? Little crappie?
Yeah, it is.
It looks like a little crappie. Oh, look at that.
It is.
That's a little crappie. Oh, he's so cute.
So that's what's up. It's the crappies.
Yeah, we ended up only fishing a couple hours or an hour at the neighbor's lake where I was mapping, and then the neighbor called and said he got stuck, so we went and helped him out. Yeah, we're back out on another lake close to me I've never been on. Just poking around a little to see what we can find. This water temperature is 60 degrees, which is a whole 13 degrees warmer than the neighbor's lake I was at first this morning. That was only 47, and the walleye we caught were full of eggs and spawning yet. It's quite a difference in the lake. This is a deep lake too, but it's a lot more clearer water. So, oh, fish on! Oh, big crappie.
Oh, net?
Nice. Yeah, sure. Oh, did he get off?
No.
Nice.
Picture worthy.
Yeah, it's a nice crappie.
That's a nice
I saw there's a bunch of crappie in here. I see them out scattered over the basin,
Good job, honey.
right off of deep points. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Get a quick picture and we'll let him go.
Smile. Oh,
Got it?
yeah.
Go. Be free, little buddy. There he goes.
Now, is it a fish?
Oh, feels kind of heavy, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
What if it's not a northern?
Oh. Fish on. I don't know. I think my drag is loose. Hey, can you come up here? Because I don't want... Oh, there he runs.
Nikes.
Oh, come on.
He's a fighter. Don't lose him. Don't lose him.
He's shaking his head pretty good. I don't know what it is.
Walleye?
Oh, yeah.
He doesn't want to get up.
No. What's going on? Oh, it's a walleye. Yeah, it's a big walleye.
I do still, but I got it.
Oh,
There you go. That's
oh yes.
it.
That's awesome. Oh, that is a chunky walleye. Oh,
Good job, honey.
yes, sirree, Bob. Look at that guy. Oh, we're fishing all evening, just kind of mapping the lake. Not sure what we got. Oh, that's a 19 incher, 19 and a quarter.
Oh, it is.
19, yeah, 19 and a quarter. Oh, that's an awesome
That's
fish.
a nice one.
That's an awesome fish. Wowzers. Huh?
Can you darken it? No, it looks
No. Okay. Be free, little buddy. Wow, that was awesome. Well, this will probably be a short video for you guys, since I didn't do much fishing today, but it turned out to be great. We caught that 19 and a quarter inch walleye. That's always a good thing to finish the night on. So yeah, I'm going to call it a night, and we're going to we'll be out again tomorrow. We'll probably be fishing under some bridge tomorrow in the morning. I guess that's the plan. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos, and we'll catch you on the next one. Please like it and subscribe. Thanks.